Is noise cancellation not working on your AirPods? Don't worry, you're not alone. It is a common issue, and usually it's caused by backdated firmware, iOS glitches, or connectivity problems on your AirPods. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the AirPods noise cancellation not working issue. So let's get started. Solution 1. Update firmware. Backdated firmware is most likely the biggest cause of this problem. AirPods firmware updates automatically when charging your connected iPhone. To check firmware, connect your AirPods, then go to your iPhone settings. Tap Bluetooth. Now tap the I next to your AirPods. Make sure to remember the model name of your AirPods here. After that, tap Version. See if the firmware version is backdated or not. To check, tap on this support.apple.com link over here. This will show you all the details of the latest AirPods firmware versions. Make sure that your AirPod model and its firmware version matches the one shown here. If it's outdated, leave your AirPods in the case. Plug the case into a charger, place it near your iPhone, and connect to Wi-Fi. It will update on its own overnight. See if the update fixes your problem. Solution 2. Enable noise cancellation. Sometimes it's just turned off. Here's how to turn it on manually. Put your AirPods in your ears. Go to your iPhone settings. Tap Bluetooth. Tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. You'll see the noise control options. Tap Noise Cancellation to turn it on. After that, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under Noise Control, turn on Noise Cancellation with one AirPod. After this, you should notice a big difference in the background noise. If not, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods. Hopefully this time your problem should be fixed. Let me know if these steps help you out, or if you need further help in the comments. I'll try assisting you as much as possible.